What's up guys, Garrett with Aldan American, and today we're at the Hot Rod Power Tour West 2024. I got my buddy Ron here, and Ron, the other day, I was up, seen some family up in the Bay Area, up in Northern California, cruising down Highway 5, and I look at my rearview mirror and I'm like, okay, orange car, maybe 55 Chevy, those unique mirrors you have, but orange. I only know one guy that's got a car like that, Chevy Nomad, and next thing I know, I'm going like 80, and here you come, right in front, man, you were just gone. I'm like, I think that was Ron, and then boom, there you go, Ron's cruising. But tell us more about it, man, the Sunmad, Nomad.
Well, I bought it in 1971. I drove it through high school. Everybody used to call me the guy with the pink Nomad because it was a Navajo tan original color, but somebody had reshot it, and I'll give it, it was a little on the pink shade maybe. But I didn't let anybody get under my skin about it. I just got used to it. I was the guy with the pink Nomad all through high school. My wife and I went on our first date in that car, and she called it the Flintstone car because she could see the street below through the floorboards because of the rust. I said, don't worry, it's gonna be nice one day. 2 years after I graduated, we tore into it for the first build, and that took only a year. It was kind of a quickie, but that was the only car we were working on. And that was when it was called the Sun-Kissed Nomad. But that's kind of long and drawn out, and then later when I got the plate, I could only fit Sunmad, and I go, you know what, that says it all. I just shortened it up to Sunmad, and that's how I got the name Sunmad.
Give us a little bit more on how it's become what it is today, and maybe some of the ride quality or reasons for going, hey, I want the LS motor, I need the Corvette suspension, I need coilovers. Like, how did you get to where we are right now?
Well, I had an opportunity to get some Corvette suspension, and I knew about the guy that was doing them, Paul Newman Car Creations, would take a frame and adapt them for the Corvette suspension. And I did that in around 2002, and I drove it that way for about 18 years, I guess. And then it started wearing on me. The Corvette suspension with that transverse leaf is stiff, and the bumps were jarring me. And I decided, you know what, I got to do something. So that's when I talked to Garrett and said, I think we can put some coilovers on this. And the guys, Gary and Garrett, all helped me to get the right information to them so we could figure out what we needed. And it made it very easy to figure out. He fixed me up, and like I said, the car has never rode as nice, and I'm super happy, and you need them for your car if you don't have them.
Right on, right on. Ron, I appreciate your time, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Beautiful weather here in San Diego, man. I appreciate you coming down, and it's good to hear those Aldans are working out for you. And if you've got Aldans, you got a Tri-5 Chevy, any old muscle car, pickup truck, even late model, we've got a full line of bolt-on kits. Whether you're looking for custom or looking to bolt on and go, check out aldanamerican.com today.